Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Becky. Thanks for joining us on Adventures with the Effingtons. Today we're doing something a little bit different because we got challenged to do the chopped series. 5 ingredients. We're gonna cook on the Blackstone. This meal is not only delicious, it's super low carb as well, so you do not have to feel guilty about it. But these are some of the best quesadillas you're ever going to try. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the ingredients list really quick, and then we're going to start cooking on the Blackstone. First up, we've got avocado oil. We have our peppercorn medley, Himalayan pink sea salt. We have sharp white cheddar. We have the Mission carb balanced tortillas, some fresh spinach, and our chicken breasts. All right, guys, so here's the deal. There was 5 ingredients we had to substitute out. We're not allowed to have potatoes. My husband is diabetic, so potatoes are like a no-go for us on the list. So we substituted out the potatoes for the low-carb tortillas, and we're gonna go ahead and jump in this challenge and see what y'all think. So stick around. Let's get cooking on the Blackstone. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and get our chicken breast on the grill. We're gonna get it seasoned with the peppercorns and the Himalayan pink sea salt, and we're gonna start grilling. It is gonna take a little bit because it is pretty fat chicken breast. I'm not gonna bother to butterfly this time because I don't want the chicken to dry out for the quesadilla, so we're gonna go ahead and leave them whole and then cook it on low heat on our Blackstone. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, I don't know if any of y'all have watched Chopped. We have watched it so much and absolutely love that show. And love the challenge and seeing what everybody has come up with. Now there is quite a big group of us who's doing this challenge, and I'm going to go ahead and link all of the channels and everybody's information down below. And we're just gonna go ahead and take our peppercorn and we're gonna start to season the chicken. Now we're gonna take the pink Himalayan salt, same thing. And now you wanna be sure when you're cooking your chicken on the Blackstone, you wanna get a good sear on both sides. Then you're gonna turn your heat down, and this is gonna ensure super juicy chicken. Even without the bone, on the grill. I know for a lot of people this can be a difficult thing to cook, but I promise you it's not hard. Now another thing too that you're going to notice is when your chicken is ready to split, it's going to come up really easily. Okay, so we've got the brown started on that side. We're going to go ahead and flip it a little earlier this time just so I can season the other side. Okay, so while our chicken is cooking on the grill, we're gonna go ahead and get our cheese shredded. You're gonna need a pound of sharp white cheddar. So go ahead and shred that. We prefer whole block just because it's not processed. It doesn't have all the stuff in it, but also it melts so much better. It just tastes so much better. So get yourself a pound of white cheddar. Get yourself a pound of white cheddar and go ahead and get that shredded and ready to go. Because once we have the chicken ready, we want all the other ingredients to just be fast because we only have 30 minutes for this challenge.
So now the chicken is done. You're gonna let it rest for just a couple of minutes before you cut it up.
All right, guys, now it is time to build our quesadillas. So we're gonna take our carb balance and we're going to layer half of the tortilla with the chicken and the shredded cheese back there, and then our spinach. So let's build these quesadillas. Now on this, you definitely are going to want to do your lowest setting so that the cheese and everything else has time to melt. So you're just going to add your cheese to the bottom, and then what I like to do is go ahead and put your spinach next, so that the heat from the hot cheese and the hot chicken will cook down your spinach. And then we're just gonna fold over our half and smash it down. Now the other thing you can do too is go ahead and put cheese all the way on it. That's gonna help hold your toppings in so that they don't fall out. So you can do that as well. Go ahead and just put your cheese all over the whole quesadilla. Add your spinach.
And then your chicken. And go ahead and fold over your half and then smash it down. And now we're just gonna go ahead and let these cook before we give it a flip. And don't be shy about shoving back in your ingredients. This one is not wanting to lay flat. And that spinach is already starting to wilt down and get nice and cooked. So you're just gonna take it, go ahead and flip it over, and then push your chicken back inside. Give it a nice smash. You're gonna see your tortillas start to get nice and crispy and brown. That's when you know it's time to flip.
All right, guys, let's pull one off and give it a taste. Oh, look at that. So you're just gonna take a pizza cutter and just cut it into 3. Typically, we will go ahead and top these with like sour cream, guacamole, but it is the chop challenge, so these are the only ingredients we could use. Let's see what it tastes like without all of the fixings. That is so good. You can see the chicken and the spinach, the cheese. Oops, we just lost some chicken. The raccoons are gonna enjoy that. It's delicious. Super easy meal. Not expensive either. And anybody can make this. You can do this on a Blackstone. You can do it inside on a skillet. You can do it on an electric skillet. Anybody can make this super easy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and give these a try. Let me know what you think, or if you've ever had these before. We'll catch you guys on the next adventure. Bye-bye.